So after a few months, we moved to a neighborhood that was not particularly Jewish, but they were able to get a rental, a full apartment, two-bedroom, but in a cheaper neighborhood. And I had a walk. I walked, it was about a 20-minute walk I went to the same day school after the first year. And I remember that first year we lived in that apartment was just a little over 1 year after we got there. My parents had a huge Purim party, and the house was full, and they were playing games in the dark, like to do with hiding and lying, I don't know. But to me, that theme also of being able to, with all the pain and with all the family members that they lost, there was still such a will to live and enjoy. And so I remember that first party